Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to engrave metal using the Cricut Maker Machine. We're going to make bracelets and other metal jewelry. And for this project, we're going to need a Cricut Maker and the Cricut Maker Engraving tool, the strong grip cutting mat, adhesive tape, a stamp enamel marker, and metal blanks. I will be engraving a metal circle and bracelet from Impressart. They sent this essential bracelet kit and love it. It comes with all the necessary tools to make bracelets. Comes with 8 aluminum bracelet blanks, 4 3/8 of an inch and 4 1/4 of an inch, bracelet bending pliers, 1 bracelet bending bar, booklet with 36 guide stickers. These guide stickers are perfect to align the hand stamped impression. This time we will not use them since we are engraving using the Cricut Maker. Also comes with a stamp enamel sample. In the video description down below, I will leave the link of the products used in this tutorial. I'm going to start with the design in the Cricut Design Space program, but before I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the notification bell. I already have the images I will be using for this metal engraving. I will engrave a metal circle and a bracelet. I will start with the circle design. The metal circle I am customizing measures 1 1/4 of an inch. Go to Shapes and insert a circle. Resize to 1 1/4 of an inch. Change color and place the snowflake on top of this circle. Go to Arrange and move to the front. Resize the image to fit the circle. Once you have the desired size, you may erase the circle. I will type a letter in the center of the snowflake. Now select all, align to the center, click on Attach, go to Operations and click on Engrave. The engraving tool tip is a little thing. If I want a very deep and defined engraving, I like to duplicate the design, select all, go to Align, and align to the center. Then click on Attach. So like this, it will engrave it twice. Now let's move to the bracelet. Resize the text to fit in the rectangle that has the same measurements of the bracelet blank. When finished with the design, erase the rectangle, select all, align center vertical, click Attach, then go to Operations and click Engrave, and it's ready. I'm going to engrave this too. This one has a single layer. If you wish to double engrave, duplicate just like we did with the first one. I will leave it like this. Now let's go to make it. When engraving, let's place the design on the left side of the sample mat. Try to center it on the rows. When placing the metal blanks on the purple mat, make sure to follow this same exact pattern. Now continue. And here we're going to select the material we're going to engrave. Go to all materials, select aluminum, on pressure select more, and here it tells you that you need to load the engrave tool in the clamp B. Now let's go place the metal blanks on the purple mat. Remember to follow the same exact pattern where we place the design. Before loading the mat, let's move the white rings to the right. Let's load the engrave tool number 41. And let's go engrave. Here we have the metal pieces already engraved. The first piece was engraved twice. The second one was engraved once. But I love both. Since I forgot to order the polishing blocks from Impressart, I am using a nail polishing block to smooth the engraving. After polishing, clean it with a brush, and we're going to darken the engraving using the stamp enamel marker. Wait 3 to 4 minutes, then clean using a paper towel or a small rag. Now it's time to bend the bracelet using the Essential Bracelet Kit from Impressart. Here we have the metal bracelets already engraved using the Cricut Maker Machine. They are gorgeous. Now that you already know how to engrave metal with your Cricut Maker, you will be able to customize a variety of metal jewelry. For example, earrings, identification tags, dog tags, bracelets, and many more. Check the description below to find the list and links of the products used in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.